my channel. If you think that this video is too yellowish, then I can't help it. I have too many yellow lights around me right now and I cannot fix them currently. So I try to fix it with my editing app, but agar nahi ho pata to then you know what I'm talking about. Anyways, for today's video, as you've read the title, I'm going to be sharing all of the stuff. Sharing to nahi, by the way, just showing everything that I got from Lalkota Market. It's my second video of 2019. I don't know why I'm talking so fast, but it's my second video of 2019 and I've already shopped quite a lot. So, without wasting any more time, let's just get started with the haul. So the first thing that I have to show you guys is this cap, and this was for 150 rupees. I think this is adorable and super nice quality. I also got it in this color, which is this pink color, and the reason why I did not wear this is because ये wall के साथ match कर जाता. So anyways, this is super nice quality as it is super warm as well because of this really soft and warm coating inside it. I think 150 rupees mein it's worth it. So this is the first thing. Now I'm gonna show you a pair of socks. So this is what the pair of socks looks like. I got them because I have a sweater in exact same this color. So I know, stupid, but anyways I got it, and it also has fingers. I hope you can see. नहीं दिख रहा है, यहाँ से दिख रहा है. It has fingers, and these are very cute. Not that warm, but cute. So this was it. This was for around 50 or 60 rupees. I don't remember. I'll have to ask my mom. So the second thing that I got is this red sweater, which is this one. And this is what it looks like. It is not exactly red, it's kind of orangish red, and it also has this cute detailing here. It says Sesame Street and a flower and some cartoon character जो मेरे को पता नहीं है कौन है. But anyways, this is super warm, super nice, very bright color, and I forgot to mention that I actually bought quite a lot of bright colors this time. So this is one of them. This was the first purchase. This was for 100 rupees. 100 ही था ना? Yeah, this was for 100 rupees and the quality and everything is just super. So the second thing that I got is again a red colored sweatshirt, but I feel like it doesn't fit me that well because I guess कि वो men's का है, like small boys or men's का, but it is actually a YSL. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. It has YSL written on the bust area, and this is what it looks like. I feel like ये men's का है, but anyways, I really like the material and the neck and everything, but just a little concerned about the fit because it doesn't fit me that well. I don't know why, but that's about it. It was again for 100 rupees, and I have to hurry because I don't want this video to be long. So that was the second purchase. Now the third item is a extreme bright color, and wait for it. This is the color. This is what it looks like. It is green, as you can see, and very bright. It has a turtleneck, and this is what the sweater looks like. And I really like this sweater, but I don't know how I'm gonna wear it. Anyway, this was for 100 rupees. And it's pretty warm, really nice quality. Even the elastics at the bottom and on the sleeve area is amazing and very good quality. So that's it. It was again a really nice purchase. I can layer it up, so I don't think that I'll regret buying this. Now the fourth item, fourth ही है ना, like fifth, sixth, I don't know, I lost count. So the next item is, wait, this purple colored turtleneck, kind of a turtleneck. This is exactly something that I am wearing right now, and I also have something like this in pink color, but I got it in purple color as well. So this is what it looks like. It has a parrot here, a tiny parrot in orange or reddish color, and that's it. It was again for 100 rupees, and I'm pretty happy that I got it because I know I can wear it as a warmer as well. So nice quality, warm stuff. Next I have a black thing because एक तो black बनता था. So this is the picture, and I wore this when I was traveling to Pushkar, and this is what it looks like here. It is again a turtleneck, but the cool thing, एक second ये उल्टा है. We're good. So So the cool thing about this is it has a lining on both sides, and this thing looks so sporty, so cool, and it just adds a little something to the basic black sweater that it is. And this patch as well, I matched my fanny pack with it, as you can see right here. So this is what the sweater looks like, and I'm really happy that I got something like this. This was again for only 100 rupees. Wow. Moving on, I got a velvet jacket which initially was for my mom, but I don't think कि उनको proper fit किया है. मतलब it is a little bit tight for her, so obviously I'm gonna wear it. This is what the jacket looks like, and it is super cool, and I think कि सुबह running के लिए पहनने के लिए this jacket is super cool. Also very warm, very warm, because obviously velvet. And I just realized कि मैं भागने वाले में जाती तो हूँ नहीं, तो सुबह running के लिए I don't know when I'm gonna wear it, but कर लूँगी मैं इसे use. So this was for 200 rupees, and the quality is super duper nice, and it's very warm. So that is that. Now I have a few more turtlenecks to show you, because I don't know why, but I am very obsessed with turtlenecks. Also market में भी बहुत सारे turtlenecks है, so I got all of them. So the next turtleneck that I'm gonna show you is a brown one, and the color is so amazing. Neutrals, wow, I love the color. Wait. So here's a picture when I wore it, and the coat that I'm wearing, I got this coat as well from Lalkota Market. I'll show you, wait. But this is what I'm talking about right now. It is this really cool light brown colored turtleneck. Very good quality, very soft, and I don't know what else to add. It's just very nice, and I wore it on my trip, so that's it. The next thing that I have is again in green color, but not as bright as the previous one. So it is again a turtleneck, which is this one. सारे कपड़े उल्टे हैं और हमेशा ही उल्टे होते हैं. I don't know why. I'll have to ask my mom about that. So this is what it looks like. It has buttons on the shoulders and on the sleeves as well, and I think it looks super cool when worn, because the fit is just incredible. It fits me so nicely, and it's just perfect. So it was again for 100. No. It was for 200 rupees. Yup. So that's that. Now I'm gonna show you another things that I got for 200 rupees. And you'll be surprised to know that I got a dress. That too in a corduroy velvet kind of material. Turtleneck. मैं इतना बोलती हूँ दिखाती नहीं हूँ. Wait. This is what the dress looks like. I love the color. It's kind of brick red brownish color. This is incredible. This fits me so nicely. It is a bit short, but I don't mind it. And very warm. I just don't know how to appreciate the quality, because it's very soft and it's just very comfortable and body hugging. So this is what the dress looks like. It's really long, and really long नहीं है, अभी मैंने बताया वही वाला है, ठीक है. Now I have one more turtleneck to show you, but this one is kind of different. Wait, so this is what I'm talking about. I don't know what's happening with my camera, but जितनी बार भी मैं ऐसे ऊपर कुछ रखती हूँ, बाकी सब कुछ इतना bright हो जाता है. But anyways, this is what the sweater looks like, and this was the cool thing that I was talking about. It is right here, and the pockets and these buttons and everything about it is just super cool. And I think I'm gonna do a try on right here, and also I'm gonna make a lookbook out of these, and also with the Sarojini clothes. So let's see how that goes. You can expect something like that in a while, but for now this was again for 200 rupees, and I'm really happy about it. And the next thing is something crazy. Actually next दो चीजें काफी ज़्यादा crazy वाली हैं. So the first one is this cheetah print really oversized dress, और ये इतना oversized है कि ये literally मेरे dress बन जाता है. But anyways, this is what it looks like. It was for 100 rupees. ये धुल चुका है, and that's it. It is a little bit itchy. उस टाइम पे realize हुआ था, but I think इसको अच्छे से wash करेंगे और इसको अच्छे से रखा जाएगा, तो maybe कुछ हो जाए, मैं वापस करा दूँगी. So the next thing is kind of sort of designer. That is because I have seen tons and tons of pictures of bloggers wearing those tweed sets from Chanel, or Amishol also has something like this. मतलब not exactly like this, but मैं कितना बोल लेती हूँ ना, दिखाती नहीं हूँ. Wait. Again. So this is what I'm talking about. It is actually a coat. I don't know if I should call it a coat or jacket, but it's really long. So I think coat bhi chalega or jacket bhi chalega, whatever you want to call it. So it is really colorful, as you can see, but it fits me perfectly. It has shoulder pads and pockets as well. Pockets थी इसमें. रुको, कहाँ है? एक तो थी. Yeah, pockets नहीं है. Sorry. It also has an inner lining which actually makes it super warm. So this was the last second item, and now it's time for the last one. And the last thing is this chocolate brown coat, and this is something that my parents got me. This was for only 250 rupees. It also has a hood, and it is a little big for me, but I think I can work with that. And the color, the material, everything is just perfect, and it's again very warm, so I am really happy about it. Now count all of the items and tell me in the comment section कि मैं कितना सामान लाई हूँ, and which one was your favorite thing in the entire haul. So that's it for today's video. I hope you like it, and if you did, then don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel for more such hauls and videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye. Turn भी करना पड़ेगा क्या? To when मच्छर है, मार लूं क्या? Hi guys, I'm back. Any more time? We should let's wow. And भूल गई. अब one coat or two coats? Two coats. Three. I don't remember. More mama.
Yeah, baby girl, you're so damn fine, though. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind, though. I'm sipping on you like some fine wine, though. When it's over, I press rewind, though. Talking bands, I got it. Benjamins in my pocket. I traded my truth for some robins, and he's playing.